Hey, you want to learn how to turn this normal onion into a delicious crispy topping that you can put on burgers and salads and sandwiches? Watch and find out just a couple minutes in your microwave. So I've sliced up one onion really thinly and I've mixed in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil in the microwave for 5 minutes. Stir them, then 2 minutes and stir them. So here's how they look after the first 5 minutes. They're really soft. Look pretty good. I'm gonna put it back in for 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Whoa, steamy. Okay, we're just starting to see some browning in the onions right in the middle there. So I'm gonna reduce from 2-minute segments down to 30 seconds because it's gonna start to really cook. They are almost done. I'm gonna drain them on this paper towel lined plate. While these are cooling off, you want to sprinkle them with salt, getting more crispy as they cool. Oh my God, so good. So here they are. I turned one onion into these gorgeous, crispy, golden, sweet, delicious onion crisps in my microwave in a couple of minutes without any deep frying necessary. So good. Oh my God.